Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create Telegram wallet. So let's get started. First of all, open your Telegram application. And once it will be opens, now here in the search bar search @wallet. And here is wallet. Tap to open it. And then simply tap on start. Next tap on open wallet. Check this box to agree to the terms of use, and click on Continue. Now here click on Let's Go. And your Telegram wallet was successfully created. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can create Telegram wallet. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.